So on the test, I got C7 wrong because I forgot to make the triangles congruent using the statements before, so I wasn't able to prove BU parallel to SG. So I could prove that the triangles are congruent by AAS from statement 1, 3, and 2, and the triangles are BSG and triangle GUB, and then I can say angle UBG is congruent to angle BGS by CPCTC, and then I can prove that line BU is parallel to line SG because when two lines are cut by a transversal and the alternate interior angles are congruent, then the lines have to be. Now I'm going to redo C7. Okay, so first I can say that BS is parallel to GU and angle U is congruent to angle S because given. And then I can say, let me mark. And then I can say that angle SBG is congruent to angle BGU because alternate interior angles are congruent when lines are parallel. Then I can say that BG is congruent to BG because of reflexive. Then I can say, can you mark those? That triangle BSG is congruent to triangle GUB by angle side, angle side. And we can use 1, 3, and 2. Then we can say that angle UBG is congruent to angle BGS by CTC. So UBG and BGS. Okay, so then 6, I can say that BU is parallel to SG because alternate interior angles are congruent when lines are parallel.
For the assessment C7, I got a mastery online, and basically when I was going through it, I realized like my reasons for my statements is because I went through the thought process of BS be congruent to GU, which would mean that SBG is congruent to BGU because of the alternate interior angles with the Z that appears with those parallel lines cut by the intersect. And then we know that U and S is congruent, so we need to find those two triangles through that, which means one line that we can find easily that's congruent to itself is BG by the reflexive property. And then I found that BSG is congruent to GUB by AAS by steps 1, 2, and 3. And then because these triangles are congruent, I said angle UBG is congruent to angle BGS by CPCTC. And then because of that, I said for number 6, BU is congruent to SG because when when two lines
DU is parallel.
oh yeah, did I? Oh, okay, I'll put that up. BU is congruent to SG. No.
Parallel.
BU is parallel to SG. I wrote that down, but words. And then that's because when two lines are cut by a transversal, alternate interior angles are congruent, lines are parallel, and then I got a mastery.
So now we're going to do our own example for C7. So this is our example. So the given, which is statement 1, is angle S is congruent to angle N, and AS is parallel to NO. So she's marking those, and it's because it's given.
And then for the second step, we're going to say that angle SAO is congruent to angle NOA, which Alyssa is marking. And that's because alternate interior angles are congruent. Lines are parallel.
Then I can say that AO is congruent to AO because reflexive.
And then because of that, we can say that triangle SAO is congruent to triangle NOA because of angle, side, which you can find in steps 1, 2, and then 3.
And then after that, you can say that angle NAO is congruent to angle AOS by CPCTC.
Do you mind if I open? And then from this step, you can say that lines AN is parallel to SO because alternate interior angles are congruent when lines not congruent when they are parallel. And that's all to prove that AN is congruent to SL.
Parallel.
So parallel. I don't know why I can't say those two words.